It's organic virgin coconut oil. It's one of the most benefic thing you can use for your hair health. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited to be here today with a subject that I honestly really love, coconut oil for hair. The thing started from the fact that I'm just thinking how many days I was waking up with a really bad hair. I chose to talk about coconut oil for hair because it really improved my hair health, and I think it might help you also. Besides, this is one of the oil that I've tried and never disappointed me. I mean, I have a greasy hair, oily hair, so sometimes when I'm trying oils I'm confronted with the fact that my hair can be greasy after, or I need to wash it twice and so on. But it's not the same with the coconut oil if you're using a really good one. So at the moment I'm using a really great coconut oil. Actually, it's one of my favorite lately, and it's the Dr. Bronner's one, and it's the virgin organic coconut oil. This one is 440 milliliters, but I think there is one of a kilogram also. So I'm gonna tell you in a second why it's the best coconut oil. So it's because this coconut oil is made from the coconut kernel with the inside skin left on, which makes it higher in antioxidants, minerals and vitamins. So it convinced me till now, so I'm 100% sure it's gonna convince you too. I use coconut oil mostly for hair, but also for face, like makeup remover and everything. What I love with this coconut oil, besides the fact that it's a really good quality, and we're gonna talk later about how can you choose the best coconut oil, is the fact that it has like a really great texture. Even if it's in a solid form, it's really easy to use, and you can take it with a spoon or with your fingers from the jar. So which I think is a really important thing. I'm gonna use the coconut oil as a mask, but I'm gonna use also hot water because heat helps every kind of treatment or oil to increase their benefits while you're using it for hair. Therefore, I'm gonna use it in the same way the coconut oil, because I want to take advantage of every benefit that this oil has. The process is pretty simple. We need a bowl of hot water, some clips for hair, and a brush or a comb. This is the brush I'm gonna use, is the Tangle Teezer, and I'm really happy with it because it's detangling really well my hair. I'm gonna link it below so you can check where you can find one. And then I'm gonna use a bowl of hot water, and because it's easier for me to use, I'm using all the time the Beth Thorburn hair towel, but you can easily use every kind of towel. So stay with me and we're gonna start the process right now. I took a bath robe on me because I didn't want to have all the coconut oil on my clothes. So I'm gonna start the process by brushing the hair. For brushing my hair, I'm using the Tangle Teezer, and it's like that. It's this version, which looks like that. So I'm gonna start by brushing this hair really great so I can apply easy the coconut oil. The hair is brushed. I'm gonna take a part of the hair and lift it in here so I can apply the coconut oils by parts. This is the texture of the coconut oil. So I'm gonna apply everything with my hands. I'm gonna start from the scalp, from the roots till the ends. You don't need to apply a really big quantity. It's just you need to make sure that you are applying all over the hair. So the best way to do that is take the part that you're trying to fill it with the oil and just twist it. So I'm done. At the moment all my hair is full of coconut oil, but to make sure that I didn't miss anything. I'm gonna brush again my hair. You can use also the same brush, the detangle brush, or you can use a bamboo comb. I do prefer, to be honest, this one. So we're gonna start brushing the hair. To make sure everything is smooth and the coconut oil is everywhere. At this point, I'm done with the brushing and we're going to the next step. We're gonna need a bowl of hot water. When I'm saying hot water, I really say hot water. I mean, not warm water, hot water. So I do have the bowl over here, and for me it's more comfortable to use a bath turban hair towel. So I'm gonna use this instead of a normal towel, but you can use easily a normal towel also. It doesn't make any differences, just the really hot water. I'm gonna soak the towel in the hot water, squeeze it and put it on my hair, and I'm gonna be right back with you. So now I have the towel on my hair and we're gonna do the action. Actually, I think 3 times. It depends on how hot you have the water, but most of the time when I tried it was 3 times, so I can do it like 3 times. You're taking the towel off when you don't feel like it's that hot as before. Last one for today. I did it 3 times and now the water is getting warm. I told you the most important stuff is to have the water really hot. I know it's gonna hurt a little bit, but the effect is gonna be way more valuable. While I'm still keeping this turban on my head, I was thinking to tell you a few tips and tricks of how to choose the best coconut oil, because during years I was trying a lot of it, and now I can tell that the process is quite simple. A medium quality coconut oil doesn't really do too much stuff to your hair, but at least shouldn't leave your hair greasy and should be washable and everything. But if it's worse than this, that means it's the worst coconut oil you have bought. If you're trying a coconut oil that is gonna leave your hair greasy, it doesn't matter what type of hair you have. That means you can throw it away. There's no good for your hair. A premium coconut oil, it leaves the hair healthier, looks smoother, gives you a shiny texture, and also the ends, it's gonna look quite different. I mean, you're gonna see a really big improvement. I don't think there is anything that can repair ends, but at least there are some treatments that can be effective, like the coconut oil can improve the damage that you did in there. But I think the best thing you can do is cut the ends at some point, because there's no way you can fix a broken hair. Check the flavor of the coconut oil. If the coconut oil doesn't have a flavor at all, I don't know what kind of coconut oil is. It needs to smell to have a flavor. It's time to take this off, but I need to wash my hair, so I'm gonna show you exactly with what I'm gonna wash my hair. So I have 2 products that I've been dying for them. I'm trying to use all the time a shampoo that gives me volume. So I found this one is from C-Magic, and I'm really excited about it because it's my first time when I'm using this kind of shampoo. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna show you how it looks inside also. It's actually a scrub shampoo, so this is the texture. It has actually Himalayan salt in it, with limes, rosemary, cypress, essential oils for exfoliating and volumizing spa hair treatment. It's a vegan product, natural, SLS free, and it smells like Oh my gosh, it smells so good, like organic. So if you love organic products, 100% sure you're gonna love the smell of this one, as it smells like lime a lot. I really do love this product because it has this scrub inside, and when you're washing your hair you feel like it really cleans the scalp really well. I've never tried this kind of shampoos before, but I think I'm gonna continue with it because I'm in love with it. And also, I don't know if it's the effect of the scrub, but it really gives you volume, and it smells, the hair, it smells amazing after. As a conditioner, I'm gonna use from the same company, Sea Magic, a daily conditioner. It's named 3 Seaweed Scalp Matte, and this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna show you in a second the texture, which is like this. It says it's a daily conditioning treatment to soothe scalp and hydrate hair, infused with 3 organic seaweeds, dead sea mud, and pure coconut oil. So basically we have coconut oil in here also. It's silicone free, vegan, natural, and everything. They are saying you can use this treatment every day for hair and scalp, blending 3 organic seaweeds with dead sea mud and nourishing coconut oil, great for comforting an itchy scalp. I don't have an itchy scalp, but it really helps me to hydrate my scalp, which is a new thing I've never used before, a thing for the scalp. So I'm gonna use this too, and I'm gonna come back with a dry hair. I'm back, and this is the result. As you can see, it's a big improvement regarding the volume and how it looks like. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I got rid of the coconut oil and I washed my hair, and I just dried my hair, and I did a little bit of brushing, and this is it. I think it's a really fast treatment that you can do it at least once per week, even though you have a really busy schedule. You can enjoy also the benefits of the coconut oil. You can hydrate your hair really great, and you can have a natural shine if you're doing it constantly, and also helps you a lot with detangling your hair. So yeah, this is it. If you're trying the treatment, I would really love to know how it works for you, and if you have any questions you can leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video and press the button subscribe. See you next time!